It's alright. Stop, you dumb hoe. I'm so sorry I said that. I take it back. I'm not sorry at all.
So this dude found a wheel from a garbage can. No, you can't have it. Sit down.
And then what happened? Can you sit down and listen?
No.
No?
No.
You are not going back outside. No, you're not. You better stop talking back there.
You don't talk to me like that, lady. Do you understand what I'm saying? Don't bitch at me, I bitch at you.
Leave me alone.
All right.
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 Oakley, come here. Come here.
Wow.
Are you complaining to me about something?
Ooh, I'm so hungry I could eat a dog.